Today's lesson is on simplifying expressions. Simplifying expressions is a lot like other things that we simplify. We simplify fractions all the time. 2/4, for example, if we divide by 2 over 2, we can get 1/2. And we know that 2 over 4 is the same value as 1 over 2. We can also simplify decimals. So here's an example. I don't need all these zeros. I could get rid of this zero, this one. I can get rid of all these zeros because they're not necessary. Same with these. I can get rid of this. I can even get rid of this as long as my decimal doesn't go anywhere. I can't get rid of this other zero because that's a placeholder. Just like those, we can also simplify expressions. Instead of leaving it as 3 plus 3, we could rewrite it as 6. That's simplifying. You've been doing this a lot with order of operations. Today we're going to do it with variables. Each one of these is considered a term. I'm going to underline all of the terms in this problem. I have 4x, I have positive 2y, and I have negative 2x. Those are all terms. What I'm going to do with those terms is I'm going to see which ones have something in common. You can notice pretty right off the bat that 2 of them have x's and the other one has a y. Because of this, I cannot combine this y with the other x's. So I'm going to rewrite the expression 4x minus 2x. If you think about that, I can combine these and simplify that to 2x, right? 4x's minus 2x's equals 2x. My 2y, however, can't do anything. And I'm saying plus 2y because there is a plus sign right there in front of it, okay? I'm going to always bring my sign wherever the numbers travel. So simplifying this expression becomes 2x plus 2y.